Raichur district in North Karnataka is one of the 30 most backward districts in the country and one of the most backward in the state. Being drought-prone, people are forced to migrate to towns and cities in search of better livelihood opportunities. There is widespread poverty. Children are the worst affected. Denied the most basic rights, they suffer from severe malnourishment, yet do not have easy access to the health facilities. The schools are few and distant, and where available, lack basic infrastructure, resulting in a large number of dropouts. Child labor is common. CRY-supported partner Snehajeevi Samaste, SJS, has been working with communities to bring about a change in the situation. SJS operates in 4 taluks of Raichur district, covering 87 slums and habitations. With the clear understanding that true change is only possible when the root causes are addressed, SJS works with communities to ensure the rights of their children are protected. Through collective efforts, new schools have been sanctioned and existing ones upgraded. Basic facilities like drinking water, classrooms, sufficient teachers, and separate toilets for girls are being ensured. Through enrollment drives, children are encouraged to be in school. With Raichur district registering the highest number of severely malnourished children, SJS played a key role in highlighting the severity of the issue of malnutrition through a series of well-planned initiatives like public hearing, media engagement, and petitioning to the concerned officials and the judiciary. The outcome of the entire process has resulted in various orders being passed by the High Court of Karnataka. Dry powdered food given in packets has been replaced with hot cooked nutritious food in Anganwadis. Anganwadis have been provided with weighing machines and health charts to monitor malnourishment amongst children. Regular health camps are organized to monitor growth of children. Children are regularly provided with milk and eggs at Anganwadis. Anganwadis have been activated and new ones sanctioned. A significant increase in the budgetary allocation has been ordered. Nutritional rehabilitation centers have been sanctioned at district and taluk levels, all of which has led to a series of gradual change in the quality of health services. Today, because of these policy changes, 3.19 lakh children across 6 districts in the Hyderabad-Karnataka region are being positively impacted. Through its sustained efforts for over 30 years, CRY, along with partner NGOs like SJS, has been able to change the lives of millions of children so that every child has the right to live, learn, grow and play.